Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to configure Google Chrome Trust Tokens API step by step, updated for 2026. Trust tokens help websites verify users without using tracking cookies, improving privacy while enabling secure token-based authentication. First, open Google Chrome and go to chrome://flags. Search for trust tokens. You'll see a flag named Enable Trust Tokens API. Click the dropdown and select Enabled. Next, click Relaunch at the bottom to restart Chrome. Experimental features only take effect after a restart. Now open Developer Tools with Control plus Shift plus I on Windows or Command plus Option plus I on Mac. Go to the Application tab, then Storage Arrow Trust Tokens. Here you can check which websites are storing tokens correctly. For developers, integrate the API properly on the server and client side. Ensure the server issues tokens according to the specification and the client redeems them as intended. Next, manage site permissions. Go to Settings Arrow Privacy and Security Arrow Site Settings Arrow Additional Permissions. Check that trusted sites can use the API without being blocked by privacy extensions. If you experience issues, reset the trust tokens flag to default, clear site data for affected websites, and disable conflicting extensions like privacy blockers. Finally, keep Chrome updated via chrome://settings/help as newer versions fix bugs and improve API stability. And that's it. By enabling the Trust Tokens API, checking token storage in developer tools, managing permissions, and updating Chrome, you can safely use this privacy-focused authentication feature. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome tutorials.